Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new series on the channel teaching you Python. In this video I will explain what is Python, what it is used for and show you how to install it and set it up. Let's get started. Firstly, what is Python? Python is a programming language that is very similar to English and therefore very easy to understand, making it great for beginners, and it's used by millions of people around the world. Python can be used to make many different programs such as games, apps, websites, data science, task automations, and much more. Before running any Python code, we need to install it. To do so, go to python.org/downloads, there'll be a link in the description, and click download Python 3.10.0 for your operating system. When you watch this, there may be a later version. Download the latest version, it doesn't really matter as long as it's Python 3. Then when you've downloaded it, follow through the installer and install it. Once you've finished downloading Python, search on your computer IDLE, which is a program that will have been installed with Python, and it will take you to something that looks like this. This is the Python interactive shell. This is where we will write our code. If the font looks smaller, then I'll show you how to edit it. Click Options and Configure IDLE, and you've got a ton of options here. If you click on Size and set it to something bigger like 20, then click Apply and then click OK, you'll get a font like mine. So that is the end of episode 1. In episode 2, we are going to learn about comments in Python. Thank you for watching and have a great day.